Good morning, everyone. Friday again, February 20th. Wow. Okay, yes, eBay has granteth me some sales. Yesterday was 209. Goose egg so far today. So 16 orders going out, 175 bucks. Thank you. Thank you, eBay. Maybe they fixed whatever issues. I've done really nothing different on my end. So we'll hopefully have sales over the weekend. So we got some postcards of airplanes going out and some airplane photographs. Lots of good stuff. Those airplanes, that airplane. I thought I just packed these yesterday, but they all start looking alike. So 2 airplanes. Got a whole bunch of these. I guess it might be the only first or second one that's sold, only for a couple bucks. A whole bunch of cruise ships down in Miami. So cheap postcard there. Another airplane. So I went. I'm sorry. Let me back up. I told you last week or a couple days ago that I had that I won an auction for $1.22. I won it for $1, and then all the fees on top, taxes, whatnot, was $1.22. And last Friday was the pickup, and I completely forgot about it. Slipped my Sweetbriar College, and I had emailed them, called them, left a message. Was pretty much saying that I was an idiot and completely forgot about the auction, and it's possible to still pick them up. And they wrote back, it's like, oh yeah, just come back. We offer Friday pickup, so come on in this Friday. So I gotta go do vehicle admissions. Fun, waste of money. I gotta do that this morning, and then go pick up. Actually, I'll go pick up the auction winnings first. See if they have anything else. I was just on their site. See if they have anything else of interest. Who knows? I don't think I've ever won a box of postcards for $1 before. I've won them extremely cheap. BB5. Upside down. I hate when I put them upside down. The whole box like that? No. What is this? Hey, Maine. I've been selling a lot of Maine cards recently. Maybe I should rethink Maine. I mean, these are in great condition. Like they came right out of an album. Maybe they might have. This might be from York. Oh, wait. Here it is. Let me see. What's it say? 32 cents a card. It came from an album that I bought at York. I mean, these are just, it's like someone bought them off the postcard rack and put them right into an album. Excellent condition. Now I just gotta find the freaking card. You're killing me. It's not in this stack. Actually, it was in that stack. It's just upside down. So I don't know how I'm doing with that album. I don't keep track like that. It cost me 32 cents. That's all I know. It's been great. I mean, you can see it. Sharp corners. Yeah, nice sharp corners. I don't know what I got for it. I think I was putting them at all like $14. Or that was probably 12 something. I probably took an offer. Another airplane. That one. I'm anxious to see what I get for $1.22. There's got to be at least one card in there worth a couple bucks. Okay, airplanes. Built some airplane photos. Those are going out. I don't need to put them right there. Another airplane. And what else do we got? AW3. No, that's AV. So I'll see if I have to dance around like a court jester to have eBay continue to grant me sales, at least over the weekend. There's this guy. He is a signer of declaration. That vehicle admissions, it's like every 2 years, I think you have to take your vehicle. And I think they charge, I don't know, $14 or so. They shut it down for 2 or 3 years for COVID testing. COVID testing. So, oh yeah, this is gonna take a while because there's this person bought a lot. So let me go digging. Okay, I think I got them all pulled. This Chester, West Virginia. It's like it's like a park. I don't think they ever made it to amusement park. It doesn't sell very well. Old Orchard Beach, Catalina Island. I don't know if it's just me, but these Union 76 postcards, every one of them, they have like a musty smell. I thought I had some bad cards that had musty smell, but I think it's specifically these Union 76 oil cards. And then there were some automobile advertisement it just has a musty smell, but I think it's the ink and the printing, if that makes sense. It's not it's just, I don't know. My whiffer is bad. Sometimes I can't even pick that smell up anymore. Usually it's kind of the smell of money, that old paper smell. But that's just a little bit beyond, which made me think that maybe it was musty, but I think it just could have been an ink issue. I don't know. I'm not smart enough to figure that out. So if you ever get those, it may not be musty smell. So this person bought a lot of like Kennedy homes. I almost try to. Never mind. Just shut up, John. Okay, what else? Got a couple more left. Let me put these in a sleeve. She has enough that it's probably gonna go. Can I fit those in one? I don't know. I'll try that out here in a second. Okay, BB18. BB18. What do we got? Economite? Economite? Never heard of Economite. I never heard of Economy PA. The new one by me. There's something I was going to talk about and completely lost my train of thought. Oh, yeah. Someone had asked in the comments about where to find estate sales. First, Google is always your friend, but estatesales.net, there might be a couple other ones, but that's your best bet. I think I've only actually ever gone to maybe one or two estate sales. Maybe three. I went to one, I don't know, a couple years ago. It was all maps. And it was like good maps. And I went there the last day. The guy was like a cartographer for the United States government or something, but he collected maps too. And I sold some of those maps. I think I spent maybe $30 for some postcards and half a dozen or more maps. And I sold one map for like $400 or $500, and then another couple maps for a couple hundred. I wish I would have spent more time there, or just said, "Hey, how much for everything?" But I didn't. So that one. But I usually go, and I've been to a couple, and I've gone specifically for postcards. And when I get there, there's like, that was the first thing that sold. So yeah, unless it's like 5 miles away, I usually don't travel for those. Nice. Anywho, let's do a refresh. See if there's anything else. Nope, nothing else. So today is the Tulsa, Oklahoma sale. Tomorrow or this weekend up in Toronto, Ohio, or Ontario. There is a Toronto, Ohio. I've been there. That's where my first that's the first narco ladder stop was in a guy in Toronto, Ohio, who's since passed. And then all those other shows coming up, so get to a postcard show, or again, you can go under useful links and find the postcard clubs. So that's it. Hope you have a great weekend. I will be on Whatnot. I should tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Probably going to do pounders, and we'll see you there. Hope your sales are great, and we'll see you Monday.